Good morning, guys. Today we'll start question number 2. It says that find the coordinates of the stationary points each of the following curves and determine the nature of the each stationary points. Okay, we have to find out maximum or minimum. So number A. First thing first, y is given as the square root of x plus 4 over square root of x. So we can write 4x to the power minus half. Okay, as a y, basic algebra. 1 by 2 root over x minus 2 by x to the power 3 by 2. First differentiation. Now for stationary point, first derivative is 0. So 1 by 2 square root of x minus 2 by x to the 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So 1 by 2 root over x, 2 by root over x to the power 3. So root over x to the power 3 over root over x, here is 4. So we can say that x is equal to 4. Yeah, x is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4, then y. From the very first this equation, root over 4 plus 4 divided by root over 4, which is 2 plus 2, which is also 4. So our stationary point coordinate is 4, 4. We have to check whether it is maximum or minimum. So dy dx is 1 by 2 square root of x minus 2 by x to the power 3 by 2. I can make it 1 by 2 x to the power minus half 2 x to the power minus 3 by 2. So the second derivative would be minus 1 by 4 x to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 3 x to the power minus 5 by 2. So it become like minus 1 by 4 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 3 over x to the power 5 by 2. Now I have to input the value. X value is 4. Minus 1 by 4 to the power 3 by 2 plus 3 4 to the power 5 by 2. I have to use calculator. Minus 1 by 4 times 4 to the power 3 by 2 plus 3 over 4 to the power 5 by 2. Okay, so it's a positive value, so it's a minimum. It will have 0.0625. so which is greater than 0. So the point 4, 4 is a minimum. This is the fact. Question number B. X square minus 2 by x. So the first derivative would be 2x plus 2 x to the power minus 2. For a stationary point, this point is 0. So 2x is equal to minus 2 by x square basically. Innalillah. So 2x cube is equal to minus 2. So x cube is equal to minus 1. X is equal to cube root of minus 1. It's a minus 1 technically. So y would be 1 plus 2 by 1, I mean 2, 3. Yeah, so the stationary point would be minus 1 comma 3. We have to check is it maximum or minimum. So the value is 2x plus 2 times x to the power minus 2. So the second derivative would be 2 minus 4 x to the power minus 3. So 2 minus 4 by x cube technically. At x equal to minus 1, plus 4, it's 6. It's a minimum. Yeah. Minimum. Question number C. Y is equal to 4 over x plus root over x. Same type of question. So the first derivative would be minus 4x to the power minus 2 plus 1 over 2 root over x. Okay. For stationary point, it is 0. So we can say that 4 by x square is equal to 1 by 2 root over x. So 8 is equal to x square over root over x. So 8 is equal to x to the power 3 by 2. So okay, 3 by 2 root over 8. What would be the result? So it is 3 by 2 root over 8, which is 4. Then y point must be from this equation 1 plus 2, which is 3. So the point of the stationary point is 4, 3. We have to check it maximum or minimum. For the second derivative, 8x to the power minus 3 plus half times minus half 1 by x to the power 3 by 2. Yeah, so which is 8 over x cube minus 1 by 4 x to the power 3 by 2. At x equal to 4, d square y dx square 8 4 cube which is 64 minus 1 by 4 4 to the power 3 by 2 1 by 8 minus, okay, let me use calculator. Minus 1 over 4 times 4 to the power 3 by 2. Yeah, it's a positive result. So 0.09375, so greater than 0, it's a minimum. Yeah, the result is correct, minimum. Question number D, we have to use the quotient rule here. 2x x square plus 9. Nine whole square here, so 2x square plus 18 minus 4x square, so 18 minus 4x square, sorry, 2x square, x square plus 9 whole square. For stationary point, first derivative must be 0, so 18 minus 2x square must be 0, so 2x square is equal to 18, x square is equal to 9, so I am taking x as a plus minus 3. Yeah, when x is equal to 3, y would be 6 by 18, 1 by 3. When x is equal to negative 3, y would be minus 1 by 3. So x comma y 3 comma 1 by, sorry, 3 comma 1 by 3 and x comma y minus 3 comma minus 1 by 3. So this is maxima, this is minima. Maxima, minima. How to check this value? So that's second derivation. I'm sorry, this is exactly not the thing. It minus 2x squared, x squared plus 9 to the power square. Second derivation means so here now this is as a constant, and here like 2 times x square plus 9 times 2x. My goodness, x square plus 9 to the power whole square minus 4x minus 4x times 18 minus 2x square, x square plus 9 to the power 4. If we input x is equal to positive 3, we'll get d square less than 0, so maximum. Another thing, if we input x is equal to negative 3, we'll get second derivative of y would be greater than 0. So 3 comma 1 by 3 is minimum. So this is the fact actually. Number E. This is the fact. Now stationary point should be 0. I mean the gradient should be 0 here. So x square is equal to minus 2x. It means that I have to take x square plus 2x here is equal to 0. So if I take x as a common, x plus 2 is a 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to negative 2. Yeah. When x is equal to 0, y should be 0. When x is equal to negative 2, y would become 4 minus 4. Yeah. So 0 comma 0 and minus 2 comma minus 4. If we plot this point, we'll have first point here, and we'll have like second point here. So it is maxima, it is minima. But it says that that's different thing from the answer, so we have to test it. Sorry guys. Okay, now how do we test this thing? My prediction was wrong. Okay, so which is x square plus 2x, x minus 1 square. So the second derivative would be x plus 1 to the power 4 okay. X plus 1. X, no problem. Now we can write it down like this way: 2 times x plus 1 to the power cube minus 2 times x plus 1 x square plus 2x. At x equal to 0. 2 times 1 cube minus 2 times 1 times 0, 1 to the power 4. That means 2, which is greater than 0. So it's a minimum point. So 0 comma 0 is minimum. Yeah, it matched. Minimum. And the next one is maximum must. When x is equal to negative 2. 2 times negative 1 to the power cube minus 2 times negative 1 4 0 negative 2 negative 1 to the power 4. Here is 1 minus 2, so minus 2 less than 0. So minus 2 comma minus 4 is maximum. What I finished so far. Number E, the last one. Number F. Y is given as x plus 1 x square minus 5x plus 3 dy dx. X plus 1 square x plus 1 times 2x minus 5 minus, where could I write it? Okay, x square minus 5x plus 3 times 1 square. Okay, so x plus 1 times 2x minus 5, so minus x square plus 5x minus 3, 2x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 5 minus x square plus 5x minus 3 x plus 1 whole square. From here this cancel out, this is 5, this is 3, right? Okay, so x square plus 2x minus 8 x plus 1 whole square ddx of this thing. For a stationary point, the gradient must be 0 on a particular point because there is no y difference, right? So it means that x square plus 2x minus 8 would become a 0, so it will have 4x minus 2. Let me calculate first. X square minus 2x plus 4x minus 8, yeah, it's okay. So we'll have x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 2. Yeah, that's correct. So we have to find out two corresponding. When x is equal to minus 4, y would be minus 13. Guys, you can calculate. When x is equal to 2, y would be minus 1. Now second derivative would be x plus 1 to the power 4 so this one would be x square plus 2x minus 8 times 2 of x plus 1. Guys, you have to just calculate these things. Okay, just let me calculate. I don't want to put you on a struggle, man. I'm so generous. So 2 times x plus 1 to the power cube minus 2 times x plus 1 x plus 4 x minus 2, yeah, x plus 1 to the power 4, the second differentiation at x equal to negative 4. That means point is negative 4, negative 13, d square y dx square. Negative 4 means 2 times negative 3 to the power cube. Negative 4, that means this part is whole 0. Negative 3 to the power 4, so minus 54 minus 81. Is it okay? 27 times 54 and Oh, it's a positive 81, sorry. It means that it is less than 0. So -4 -13 is maximum. Yeah, the answer is correct. And the next point is minimum. At x equal to another point is 2, where y is equal to -1. Okay, x square. If I input 2 times 3 to the power cube, and the rest, this one would be 0, 3 to the power 4. So 54 by 81, which is greater than 0. So 2 comma -1 is minimum. Yeah, to finish. It took me 45 minutes. Oh my god. So guys, thanks for watching. If you want to connect me one-to-one session, I'll be more elaborative that time. You'll get to understand more perfectly. So try to connect with me. Thank you.